Hi everyone, welcome to Awesome Crafter. Today I'm going to be showing you how we're going to colour cooking salt using just a piece of chalk. And then once we've done that, I'm going to show you how we're going to turn it into these lovely decorative coloured salt bottles. So let's get started. First of all, we need a plastic bottle. You don't have to have a plastic one, you can have a glass bottle, you can have any shaped bottle that you like. Then we're going to take the cooking salt and we're going to pour it onto a paper plate. I found paper plates work best, and once you've finished they can just be disposed of. So next off, once we've got the chalk on the salt on the plate, we're going to take our piece of chalk and we're going to start rubbing. We need to press on quite firmly to transfer the colour from the chalk onto the salt. We're literally going to keep doing this until all of the salt has changed colour. We need to keep moving it into the middle to make sure it all gets coloured. The more you rub it and the harder you press on, the darker the salt will turn. So you can do a light purple or you can use a darker purple. It all depends on how much you choose to transfer the colour in. Keep tipping your salt into the middle and it allows it to keep getting coloured evenly. Once you're happy with the colour that you've got, then we're going to remove the chalk, and then as you can see I've got several other colours here. Now you can choose as little or as many colours as you like depending on what colour chalk you've got. Then I'm going to take a plastic bottle, I'm going to remove the lid. The reason I use paper plates is because now when it comes to pouring in the salt, it's perfect because the plate will bend and allow the salt to be guided in better, causing less spillage. Then we're just going to start pouring it inside the bottle. You don't have to pour it all in because we're going to start to make a pattern now. So as you can see, I've just poured a small amount in the bottom. So now I'm going to change and use green. I'm going to do the same again and just gently pour it in. Again, you can pour as little or as much in as you like. Give it a shake. Then as you can see, our colours are now starting to form. So we'll go for orange next. And we'll choose the yellow. Doesn't have to be perfect at all. It's just going to add to the design. And now for my last colour. As you can see, it started to form a lovely pattern. So then we can just go round the colours again and use up the salt that we've got left. Again, you can do this in any order you like. I'm just going to fill the bottle up to the top, shake it down, and there we have it. There we have our decorative coloured salt bottle. We pop the lid on and we're done. So why don't you give it a go? It's super easy, super cheap to do, so go and have some fun. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye for now.